You can expect a lot from the 2020 Nissan LEAF. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, lane departure warning, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.